It's not. Wait, give it a shake.
Good stuff, good stuff. Post-challenge day. Over here in the office, handling my social media, the kind. Letting everybody know.
Like, is it even like shaking?
It's good. It's tasty. It tastes really good.
Not this one, bro.
Yeah.
It tastes like slime.
Yeah, because you have so much goddamn chia seeds in there.
It's true.
That's why it's slime.
And it's coconut milk. And linseed. And flaxseed. And hemp seed.
Flaxseed too.
Yeah, they all make a gelatinous.
Those, yeah, it's gooey, like a clump.
Like, honestly, you can't drink it. You have to chew it. Honestly? It felt like real coagulated vomit that I had to eat. Bro, I'm not doing that ever again. What was I gonna say? It was important.